Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy ARB Dodge. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type app.uniswap.org. This will land you on the official website of Uniswap. Now over here, you first have to connect your MetaMask wallet with Uniswap. For that, you need to click on this connect button and after that, you need to click on a MetaMask wallet. Then you just have to click on the connect button and this way you will be able to connect your MetaMask wallet with Uniswap. Now over here you can change the network if you want to. So as ARB Doge is on Arbitrum, you will have to click on this drop arrow button and then you will have to select the Arbitrum network. Then the MetaMask pop-up will open in front of you. So you will have to click on the switch network and you need to basically select the Arbitrum network over here. Then you need to enter the coin that you want to use to swap the token, which is ARB Doge on Uniswap. After that, you will have to click on this select token option and in the search bar, you will have to search for ARB Doge. But if you type ARB, you will not be able to see ARB Dogecoin in this section. So in order to get it over here, you will have to open CoinMarketCap and in the search bar, you will have to search for CoinMarketCap and in the search bar, you will have to search for ARB Doge AI. Once done, you are going to see its contract address. So you need to copy this contract address from here. Then you need to come to Uniswap again and you simply need to click on select token. Then you need to paste the address that you have just copied from CoinMarketCap and there you go, you are able to see AI Doge in this list. So you will have to select AI Doge and then you need to click on I understand. After that, you will have to enter the amount of token that you want to spend in order to purchase AI Doge. Then you will have to click on the swap button and this way you will be able to easily purchase ARB Dogecoin. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.